What is the difference between Japanese particles made and made ni? Let's find out. For our English explanation, so made minasang in English is more likely translated as until. It is used to end a continuous action, while made ni in English is more likely translated as by. It is more often used for due dates or deadlines. In order for us to understand the difference, let's give an example. For made, Kino wa watashi ga hachiji made benkyou shimashita. For made ni, Raishu made ni reporto o teishitsu shinakereba narimasen. In our first example, we use made to end a continuous action. What is the continuous action on that example? The benkyou shimasu or benkyou shimashita. While for example number 2, we use the made ni to set a deadline for the action. For our Taglish explanation, so si made minasang is ginagamit para bigyan ng end o hanggang kailan yung isang continuous action. While si made ni naman ay ginagamit most likely for due dates at mga deadlines. So para mas maintindihan natin, bigyan tayong example. Para sa made, Kino wa watashi ga hachiji made benkyou shimashita. So sa example natin yun, yung continuous action natin is yung benkyou shimashita o yung pag-aaral. Kaya made ang ginamit natin. Para naman sa made ni, Raishu made ni reporto o teishitsu shinakereba narimasen. So, dito naman sa second example natin, para kay made ni, is ginamit natin si made ni para mag-set ng deadline kung hanggang kailan dapat ipasa yung report. Follow for more!